So what do an infantry soldier, a software engineer and lost dogs have in common? Let's find out. The answer is DroneWorks. Today I just wanted to give you a bit of an insight into our background and how DroneWorks came to be. So I did 18 years as an army reservist in the infantry, did tours of Iraq and Afghanistan. Alongside that, I graduated from Staffordshire University as a software engineer, and my day-to-day job was as a software developer. More recently, over the past 5 or 6 years, I was working as a contractor, providing my expertise to other companies to implement back-end automation in Microsoft and cloud technologies, bringing the benefits of technology to the office to help these companies improve their workflows and save time and money. Alongside that, in personal life, I'm a bit of a techie geek. I like my gadgets, and so I saved up for my first drone, a Mavic Pro. This was about 3 years ago, just to take on holiday, film me walking the dog or whatever. Alongside this, I joined a really good group called DroneWorks for Lost Dogs. This is a group of volunteers, of ground searchers and drone pilots who volunteer their time to search for people's dogs when they've gone missing. So if you can imagine, a drone can cover a larger search area than people on the ground, and it's useful for not just for finding the lost dog, but for ruling out the areas where the dog isn't, so the ground searchers can concentrate on the areas that the drone isn't so useful, like wooded areas for example. And it was during these volunteer flights looking for lost dogs, coupled with my software engineering background, that I realised that drones have a real useful benefit in industry. If they're coupled with the right software, the right expertise, we can get real, usable and valuable data that can streamline inspection workflows, can provide useful information for construction projects, providing a central source of the truth from which to manage the project. This can then be used to alleviate disputes, identify issues, and all the other benefits that I've probably droned on about in my other videos. I like to think that my military background gives me a bit of robustness, not afraid of hard work. I operate my business with integrity, I treat others as I want to be treated, and we just like to get the job done properly. So that was a bit of info about me, about DroneWorks. Have a great weekend everybody, and I'll catch you next week.